Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe, here to share my Jamaican jerk fish recipe. So let's get our seasoning ready for our fish. So the first thing you want to do, you want to take your fish and you want to just put some little slices on your fish. You can do them slant or you can just do them across like so. It all depends on how you want to do it, doesn't matter. So I am going to just give this like 2 incisions, just like so, and I'm going to do the same for this one. You want to make sure that your fish are nicely washed in some lime water and dried as much as you can dry them off, okay? Lovely. So we're gonna do the same for the other side, just so your season can soak in these guys. Yes, that's how we do it. This is how we do it. Trust me guys, this is a nice one. I always like to eat jerk fish when I go to Jamaica and go to Lico Ochi. Man, they have some good jerk fish there. Okay, so now our fish is ready. We are going to prepare our seasoning. So you can make your own jerk marinade if you know how to. But this is quick, simple, easy, gonna be delicious. I'm gonna use my Grace jerk seasoning. So guys, I have 2 brands that I like. So I like to use the Grace, or so I have both so I can show you, or Walker's Wood. These are 2 nice jerk seasoning, trust me, the Grace or the Walker's Wood. So I just have a little bit of the Grace left. I'm just gonna, oh, I need a smaller spoon. So I'm just gonna take that out. And we're just gonna need another spoonful or 2. And we are going to add some ground garlic. So if you don't have this minced garlic or chopped garlic that I have here, you can always use some garlic and mince them. So I'm adding a tablespoon of my minced garlic. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna season our fish. We're gonna combine this together. And the reason why I love to use this, guys, you see it has a little bit of oil in there, so it kind of like give it a nice oily texture, but that's okay. If you don't have that, use the garlic that you have and just mince that up. So guys, what we're gonna do now, we just want to season our fish. So I have some black pepper. I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over. So we're gonna do one side and we'll flip over and do the other side, okay? And here I have some all-purpose Maggi chicken seasoning. And you don't want any salt for this because your seasoning already have a lot of sodium, and plus your jerk seasoning have a lot of sodium as well. And here I have some Maggi fish seasoning. And all of this lovely seasoning you can find in your local store, or you have somebody from Jamaica coming up. That's what I always do. I always ask them to bring something for me. Here I have my garlic and my onion powder. It's a mix. I'm just gonna add some of that, just like a sprinkle. What you're gonna do now, guys, you're gonna just open those incisions that you made on your fish and try to see if you get some of the season down in there. Okay, so we're gonna flip these over and we're gonna do the same. We're going in with our onion powder and our garlic salt. And this time around, guys, you want to make sure that you get some inside as well. So we're gonna use just a sprinkle, a tot. So now what we're gonna do, wear a glove. If you're not like me, I should be wearing a glove because I tend to get pepper all over my skin for some reason when I use pepper. Even if I don't touch my skin with the pepper, it feels as if my skin is burning. And you know your jerk season have a lot of pepper. So we're gonna put those jerk season inside our fish and just spread it all out in there, in the head, all over in there. And then the same thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put some in our in the dices that we made on the fish, and then we're just gonna rub some all over our fish as well. Guys, I'm telling you, if you try this recipe, you will see what I'm talking about. Absolutely amazing, delicious. There. So we're gonna turn him over and we're gonna add some more. Yeah, man. That's our thing there. You see, guys. Oops. Looking lovely, man. Trust me, you can bring the Jamaican kitchen right in your home. Don't matter where you are in the world. You don't have to miss out on anything. Just need the right seasoning. Okay, so this that is left now, we're just gonna rub some all over our fish. Like so. Yes. Wow. Guys, smelling so lovely. Look at that. Can you imagine when this is done? Don't worry about, sorry about the mess, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have some olive oil and some butter, and I'll be doing my fish on top of this grill. So I have this grill on top of a baking sheet because you don't want to mess up inside of your oven. So that's how we'll be doing our jerk fish. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I am just going to get some butter, and you can just put the butter on your fish randomly. Like so. Just randomly, doesn't matter. But you want to make sure that you get some butter inside of your fish, okay? So we're just gonna put that in there. And put that in there. Lovely. Absolutely amazing. So now, guys, what we're gonna do, we are going to sprinkle or put some olive oil over our fish. You just want to drizzle, not sprinkle, drizzle. That's the word. Drizzle your olive oil like so. And get that butter up there. Let's put a little bit more butter on this one. It's a big guy. Okay, so they are ready. All we have to do now is just apply. I think I'm gonna turn them this way. And all of this niceness, no, we're not gonna leave it on the plate. You know, we don't waste anything around here. Just gonna put that on top of our fish. 450 degrees. We have our oven preheating right now, and we are gonna pop our fish in the oven. Looking absolutely amazing. So please thumbs up this video. Please like, share, leave me a comment if you're new to my channel. Please subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. So I popped my fish in the oven, guys. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare our green onion, and I have 4 stalks of green onion, and we're just gonna cut these up for later on use. We're just gonna check up on our fish later on and see how it's doing, and then we're gonna apply our green onions. Okay, wow, this is looking absolutely amazing. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our green onions. I just wanna put them on top like so. Put some in here. This is our final touch. And we're just gonna pop this back in the oven for like a minute or two, probably about 2 minutes, just to get the green onions nice and cooked a little bit, not too much. Wow. So now we're gonna add some hot Scotch bonnet pepper on top. So we're just gonna add some hot pepper, and this is optional. I'm just gonna add 1 here. Nice. The yellow one here. Wow. Just like so. So we're just gonna pop this back in the oven. This is it, guys. They are looking absolutely amazing. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we are going to garnish and plate our jerk fish. So I'll be putting my fish on this, guys, just for decoration purpose. Okay, guys, so our fish is nicely placed on this flat nice tray. So guys, what I have in here, I have some green onions, and I just pour some malt vinegar on that. You can use any vinegar. You can use the clear vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar, and you can sprinkle this all over, or you can just have it as a dip. You can use your lemons, squeeze your lemons all over. So we're just gonna garnish with our lemons and our carrots. So this is basically my final result, guys. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe until next time.